Take two. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? I think when I knocked my phone off, the likelihood is that I knocked the sound off as well. So let me know if you guys can hear me when you guys get back and hop on. I am so sorry. See, this is why it takes a village, okay? This is why I need Lisa here. Thank you. Everybody's giving me thumbs up. So sorry about that. I don't know. I thought for a moment maybe I broke my phone, and I will tell you, I don't know if you guys ever feel that, I would not mind if somehow my phone got tucked in somewhere and I didn't have to see it for a couple of days. Emails and text messages and all that fun stuff. But it does keep us all connected, so that is amazing. All right, so I was sharing with you, take two. You guys are the best, by the way. Thanks for coming back. You're like, get the hook. Someone really did get the hook. Now I can hear you. Thank you, Patty. Thanks for being so patient. Jen Botts is here. Tammy's here. Lydia's here. Everyone has sound. It's not always a good thing. So here is our 14-inch couch tray. Kind of, you know, I love thinking about putting this all around the house because I designed it with that nice lip that you see here. If you're picking up Old World, you're going to have that braided detail. If you're picking up Floral Lace, you're going to have the beaded detail. We did it in, of course, woodland. Don't wait on the white if you're a woodland white collector. Item number is H229753. And you guys, this is under $25. So, you know, that sofa that you have, that you want to have your magazines and your remote controls and everything kind of in its place. This is going to be that. You want to make deep dish pizzas, those cookie cakes, you can do that. We did so many things because it's an awesome serving piece. This is where it all went bad, okay? When I started to show you that I married it with our Lazy Susan. Now I have my condiments on here. I have my butter. I have my salt and pepper. So many different great uses for this. But this is one of the brand new items as we celebrate our 20th anniversary. Oh, I love it. Lisa Whitney said she loves it. So really excited, something different, something we've never done before like this. So you're definitely going to want to check it out. Yes, it's a serving tray. Yes, it's a baker. It literally morphs. It's one of the most demonstrable things I think that I've ever designed because it morphs into every room in the house and everything that you can do. I'm picturing this on my Easter table. Mary, hold please, because let me show you what we did here. We put in some of our flameless candles. We put a little grass and some of our peeps. Here, I'm gonna walk around this way. Peeps. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. And then of course, keeping it by your, on your table, in your living room, or even on the end of the sofa. I love that. Again, tucking this wherever you can. Ooh, cocktails in the summer. Love the idea of a bar. Here, again, speaking of summertime, bringing this out to your table and having everything there. And I put it right on top of our Lazy Susans, which are under 20 bucks. And now you have this great kind of system that you can use together. There's that beautiful Old World. I love the way that came out. Absolutely stunning, you guys. So we did not do it in any of the seasonal. I see some of you asking. We just did the first order in our everyday colors of Floral Lace, Old World, not the classic, not the mix, and also woodland. So you're definitely going to want to check that out. You probably will see seasonal colors at some point this year, just not today. All right, you guys. So also, just quick reminder, Wednesday, I Scream, You Scream, We All Scream live stream. Lisa and I will be live streaming. I'm trying to not have that light like blaring in your eyes while I'm talking to you. But I'm too short, so therefore I can't. There we go. Ha, kidding. Okay, so you're definitely going to want to check out our live streaming 11 a.m. and then 8 p.m. Wednesday evening, because there is no In the Kitchen with David. So we're going to be streaming kind of like a fun little cooking class. So definitely want you to check that out. And if you haven't joined our recipe group, head over on Facebook to Recipes from Tara's Table. And the reason why I keep looking over there, sorry not to be rude, but I am watching the show to make sure I'm staying on track for when they're going to call me. Because we are going to be on in probably about 10 minutes or so. Rastelli's on, and then I think there's another presentation, and then we're going to be here sharing and showing you this awesome, I need a better name for it. It's not just a serving tray. It's not just a deep dish baker or lit it. It's actually just fantastic. I'm just going to call it the fantastic item. All right, you guys, thank you. If you want to get the jump on it and get your color, it's H229753. And don't wait on white woodland. Yes, of course. Floral Lace green, absolutely. Yes, it's on QVC. Thank you for reminding me to let you guys all know that. Oh my gosh, I love it. Carmen just bought two. What are you going to do? Ooh, One thing we did, we cut bagels and then we nested right down inside some of this cream cheese. So different things that you can do, charcuterie boards, all the different things that you're gonna wanna serve on it. Yes, that's great for food, but then using this up in your bathroom and maybe laying out all of your makeup or maybe all of your hair products, things, because you have that great lip here. I could see you even tucking this under your sink and maybe having all of your soaps and dishwashing stuff, maybe even in your laundry room, keeping everything organized, and then you can wipe it clean or put it right in the dishwasher. Woo, I'm so excited about this item. Okay, I hope you will be too. Under $25, amazing, over at QVC, and we'll be on probably in about 10, 15 minutes or so. All right, I'll see you guys soon. Thanks for bearing with me. Pretty sure I broke my phone, so we'll have to get to IT at some point. All right, you guys, adore you. Have a great, great, great Sunday.